And also, it was kind of funny because there was two ladies next to her, and we would ask the ladies, like, hey, like, can we board? And she's like, yeah, I don't know if she's gonna let you on the flight. Like, they were kind of scaring us. Like,
They weren't scaring me. But basically,
Oh my
she ended up
God.
just telling us that we have to just be nicer. So it ended up just being what I said, a power trip.
She walked us to our plane. She was actually really nice. She was like, you guys are being mean. She was like, so I just turned into like mama mode or whatever. And it's true, like, I would turn into mama mode too. I'd just be like, nope, you're gonna wait because you're being rude. And so that's low-key what she did. She literally just like made him wait. Then they let us on the flight, and she was like really happy and making jokes and stuff. So
Yeah, it was just
really
never that
good.
serious, I think, in my opinion.
It actually worked out because me and Julie got moved to the front too.
That's true. You
Exactly.
guys got
Oh my
moved
God.
up.
Yeah, I forgot about that. She was so nice.